Welcome to this tutorial on how to invest in the Robinhood Venture Fund. If you are looking to explore investment opportunities through Robinhood, you are in the right place. The Robinhood Venture Fund allows you to invest in early-stage startups, providing access to high-growth potential companies. Let's break down the steps to get started. First, you will need to create a Robinhood account if you don't already have one. Download the Robinhood app or visit their website. Once you have signed up, complete the required identity verification process. This typically involves providing your personal information, such as your name, address, social security number, and possibly a form of identification. Next, after your account is verified, you can fund your account. Transfer money from your bank account into your Robinhood account. Ensure you have sufficient funds to invest in the venture fund. Once your account is funded, navigate to the investment section and look for the Robinhood Venture Fund. You can review the details of the fund, including its focus on certain sectors, companies, and potential risks. Finally, when you are ready to invest, enter the amount you wish to invest in the Robinhood Venture Fund. Review your investment and confirm the transaction. Remember to monitor your investment over time and stay informed about the companies in the fund. Investing in venture funds can be rewarding but also comes with risks, so it is essential to do your research and invest wisely. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and good luck with your investments.